Welcome. In front of me is an ACER Chromebook 13, and today I'll show you how to access the device in guest mode. So if you're already logged in, signed into your account, you'll have to log out. And if you're turning the device on, well, you just need to wait till it boots up and forces you to put in a password, as you can see right here. And from here you'll have browse as guest option, so click that. And there we go, we're now in guest mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.